The story of Arjun, the boy who didn't give up. Once in a small village lived a boy named Arjun. He was known not for his brilliance but for his silence. Arjun came from a poor family. His father was a farmer and his mother worked in a small cloth shop. Every day after school, Arjun helped his father in the fields and studied by the dim light of a lantern. Arjun was an average student in class. His classmates often laughed at him because he wore torn shoes, didn't have fancy books, and never scored the highest marks. But Arjun had something special: determination. One day during the school assembly, the principal announced a state level scholarship exam. Whoever passed would get free education till college. Everyone laughed when Arjun said he would participate. You can't even solve simple maths problems. Someone mocked. Arjun felt hurt but not defeated. He went home and told his father, who smiled and said, "Success is not about how fast you run, but how long you run without stopping." That night, Arjun made a promise to himself: "I will try my best no matter how hard it gets." He woke up at 4 am every day. He borrowed books and from the library, asked teachers questions, and participated relentlessly. He studied under street lights when there was no electricity. He didn't care about sleep, comfort, or even the teaching anymore. On the day of the exam, Arjun was nervous, but he remembered his father's word. He wrote with confidence and then he waited. A month later, the results were out. The whole school was shocked. Arjun's name was at the top. The same students who once laughed at him now clapped for him. The principal called him on stage and said, "Arjun is a reminder that discipline and belief in yourself can defeat any skills or limitation." Arjun's life changed. He got admission into a top school, later earned a college degree, and finally became an IAS officer. Whenever people asked him how he succeeded, he simply said, "I wasn't the smartest. I was just the one who didn't stop trying." Moral of the story: it doesn't matter where you come from. What matters is how much you are willing to fight for your dreams. Never underestimate the power of hard work and never stop believing in yourself.